Hi, I'm Miikka from Ghost Company. We have developed a series of design thinking tools that we have used extensively to help our clients develop new services. And now we wish to share those tools with you. This package is called Service Charger. Let's dive in. To start with any service development project, you need three basic canvases: the service core, customer needs, and the responsibility meter. Let's start with the service core. First, we need to create an elevator pitch for the service. We need to have a name, we need to have some sort of description, and then we need to understand the stakeholders, the customers, and their needs. Let's say that we are producing a service for the senior citizens. What do they need? They need to move safely in the city. So what could be the name? Let's say the name would be Urban Go. And the description, it helps people move from A to B. And we can always come back to these and refine, so don't get stuck with the name for too long. Just add something and come back to that whenever you have a new idea. The second canvas to use is the customer needs, and that is one of the key canvases for every service. Again, name a customer, let's say senior citizens again. And what is the most obvious need? They need to go from A to B. Then we need to dig deeper and we need to understand what are the needs behind that basic need. For example, people want their independence, but they also need assistance in their daily life. And what are the needs, the hidden needs behind those? For example, they might have a need for sense of freedom, or they might need some human contacts. So that is the way to create these customer needs. This is the responsibility meter, and taking responsibility separates products from services. So we have already decided on our core customer group. Let's add it here, the senior citizens. And then let's list again their needs here on top. Then starts the ideation phase, where you can create as many ideas as you possibly can to meet those needs. After you have done that, you can start rating them based on how much responsibility they are taking of the problem. For example, a simple taxi. It's not really answering the full need of the senior citizen, but maybe a personal driver on demand would meet those needs 100%. So try to rate the service elements that you have created based on how much responsibility they are taking of the problem. The last phase with this responsibility meter is to turn those ideas and your solutions into actual promises. And that is the column on the right. Now we have used these three basic canvases: the service core, customer needs, and the responsibility meter. And now you can start working with them again and again, fine-tuning and finding new solutions, interviewing your potential customers, and adding things on top of old existing post-it notes.